Here's how to delete profiles on Klaviyo to clean up your database and cut down on billing costs. The easiest way to get started is clicking your account name down in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, then hitting Settings. This takes you into all your account setup stuff where you can mess with different parts of your Klaviyo account. Now, you could go hunting around for profile deletion options, but there's actually a specific spot for this. Head over to Other in that left sidebar, then click on Profile Maintenance. They've got dedicated tools here for handling profiles in bulk, which honestly saves you a ton of time compared to doing it one by one. You'll see a Delete People section on this page. There's a drop-down menu where you pick which group of profiles gets the axe. The thing is, you can only choose from lists or segments that already exist in your account. So if you want to delete people based on specific criteria, like they haven't opened emails in 6 months or whatever, you need to create a segment first. Going back to create that segment means jumping over to Audience, then Lists and Segments. Hit Create Segment and set up whatever criteria makes sense for your cleanup. Maybe it's engagement level, maybe it's sign-up date, depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Once that segment is built, you can circle back to profile maintenance. Pick your new segment from that dropdown, and Klaviyo shows you exactly how many profiles are sitting in there. Here's where it gets a bit paranoid. You have to type that exact number into a confirmation field. Seems excessive, but I get it since you can't undo this stuff once it's done. Hit delete and those profiles disappear forever. The whole process runs behind the scenes, so if you're dealing with thousands of profiles, grab some coffee because it takes a few minutes. Just remember, once they're gone, they're really gone. No getting that data back. For single profiles, you can use the main search bar instead. Type in their email, select Search in Profiles, click on them when they pop up, then hit Profile Actions in the top right. Delete Profile is right there in the dropdown, confirm it in the pop-up, and done. One thing worth thinking about though, you might want to suppress profiles instead of deleting them completely. Suppression keeps all the data, but pulls them out of billing and email sends. Gives you more options down the road if you need that info later.